Alright my peeps, so what we're gonna do today, this video is about comparing the heat signature, how much energy loss goes into that. Okay, so pretty much the total wattage, the input that is coming in to the light fixture, the total loss in heat that isn't converted into photons, light energy. Okay, so this is the T5 ballast bypass installation with the LED. Okay, so we're gonna take readings on this one, okay, with the laser thermometer gun. So here we go my peeps, and we're gonna start with the surface, okay, of the light fixture, and we're gonna use Honor the Plant Thermo Laser Thermometer gun. The trigger, okay. I'm going to use my cell phone to light us up so you guys can see the readings. Starting from the center of the top. You guys see it? There you go. So we're at 84. Alright. 85, and pretty much in the center. 84. Now we're gonna go to the sides. 84. So pretty much all around 85, 84. I don't know if you guys see it on the surface, on the top. Alright, so that's pretty much what we're registering all around the surface. Okay, and back up a little bit more. Alright, so that's pretty much the surface temperature, right? And it's been on for more than 24 hours. Because I let these bad boys go for 24 hours. They didn't sleep. Yeah, alright. So that's pretty much 83, alright, on the surface. The highest 85, 82. Alright, that's it for the top. Now we're going to do the sides, alright? So now the sides, alright, of the light fixture. 85, right at the corner. 83, 84, 84, 84, 83, 83, pretty much 83 on the edge. Alright, so that's 83, an average. Alright, on the side. Let's do the whole side. Alright, where are we at? Hold on, my bad. 86, 81, 82, 82, 81, 84, 86 is the hottest, which is the center. And then 80 it drops, so it's a little bit warm right there. 81. So there you go, you guys get the jits. So now let's do the actual light, it's the LED. So now we're going to do the actual LED ones, each one all the way through. Okay, so here we go. Starting from the frame and then going, here we go. The first LED. I gotta see what I'm doing because I'm looking at the camera too to make sure that we're good. Alright, then so the LED. See what it's registering. It's registering 99, 100, 108, 106, 104. Alright. And then we're gonna go back. That was the first one, alright? Now we're gonna go to the second one. Alright. We're looking at 108, 7. Yeah, alright, now we're gonna go back. Alright, cool. So this is pretty much 100 degrees. My cell phone is acting now. Hold on, my peeps. Alright, now we're gonna do a third one. You guys can see it. Oh, hold on. Alright, so the third one, right there. Going down. So much is reading. Alright, so now the fourth one. There you go. Alright. The last one. Let's get this reading. You guys can see it. 105. Hold on. Right there. 100, 101, 103, 105, 99. Yeah, so the hottest they get is 105. 105. So we went through all the 4 individual LED bars. Alright, so that's the readings, the heat readings on this light fixture. Top, sides, and the actual LED. You guys want me to do the reflector? I'll do the reflector just for the jits of it. Hold on. Alright, so I'll do the reflector. It's gonna be kind of weird, but alright, hold on. Alright, so the reflector 99, that's the same thing, dude. 99. It doesn't read anything. 99, nothing difference. 99. Look. That's a reflector. 98, 99. Yeah, so it stays relatively cool. So I hope you guys like the angle, you guys like this video, but that's this part. So the second part, we're gonna do the actual T5 one. So let's continue.